Hello guys. Um I've been playing for what? Let me say the whole I've been playing for the whole day. Like for the past 24 hours I've been grinding. And we bust out of so many tournaments today. And I'm down about let's say $15, but we just got into the final table. I was down to two big blinds, but I'm up like 10 big blinds now. So seems like this is the final table, or maybe there's still about 10 to 9 to 10 players left. And we have got a heads up. Aces. Yes, we hold. Yes, we got the full house. Yes, this is massive, guys. This is massive. This is massive. Like like I don't even know what's going on right now, but we were down so much, guys. Like we were down so much for the day, and now we are like I just find myself in this $10 final table. Like this is very nice. This is a great spot. So I'm going to bluff this one off. I'm going to let this guy know that get it through. I'm letting the guy know that I'm not scared of the ICM. So seems like there's still a lot of players left in this. So we have ace queen offsuit, and if anyone shoves, so we are definitely going to call here. This is a definite call here. If this guy shoves, yeah, he lets it go. So I don't know how much is the pay jump, but like I'm feeling emotional. Like a moment ago, I was down to two big blind. I haven't thought I would not cash out. I thought that I would not make the money, but here we are. So so we are like 250 something thousand. We are like 246,000. So we are playing 5,000, 10,000. But I like to use big blind. I like to use it in big blind. So we're almost in the final table. I don't think we're in the final table yet. There's still some players left. So this is the $10 carnival. First place take about $200, and that would be very nice if we can just make first place. But this guy has like 60 big blinds, so he has like 600,000. That is like 1/4 of our stack. Like I was already feeling lost. I was already feeling down, disappointed, and just like I was already feeling like giving up. Like this is just a mood changer. I don't even think I would cash out for this game. I thought I'm going to bust out because I had a pair of kings, and I had a pair of kings, and my opponent had like 2-3. My opponent had like 2-3, and he had a flush. So he had a straight. The board came out. The board came out. Ace Jack 4. So we are going to call here. We are going to call against this guy, and he has a7. So we are ahead. Wow, he finds the 7. Yes, we find the 8. Yes. That's massive, guy. Like this is like I don't understand what they are trying to do here. Like they are just trying to play with my emotion because this guy just had a a7 and he found the 7 and I found the 8. Like this is crazy. I was already feeling down. Like I don't even know what's going on. Can you imagine? See, let me go back to that hand. I don't think the table is running anymore, so it will not show the history. Yeah, it won't show the history of that hand. The guy has a7, and I don't know if this guy busted out. I don't know if anyone busted out yet. Wow, this guy has 44 big blinds. So we still have a long way to go because a lot of these guys has a lot of chip to play for. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven players left. So let's look at number six. The sixth player will get $52. So like that's already huge for us, guys. That's already huge for us. So this guy is just doubling up. So 6-2 cannot call. I don't think I can call a shot with 6-2. I don't want to double him up. So we have ace-4. So if this guy shoves again, I think we can call now with our ace-4 suited. Like, this is crazy. This guy that's named Gavage. This guy that's named Gavage. He was the chip leader a while ago. So I don't know, like I think he's a very weak player, because when he was chip leading, he was just punting away his chip. Like, he called my 3 bets with 2-3 suited. Sorry, 2-3 offsuit. So I think he's a very weak player in general. That's a very bad board for me. So I'll be checking this one a lot. But if the opponent checks again, I think I can just barrel this one off. No, I can't even do anything here. Yeah, I'll just let this one go. So we have a7 offsuit, so that's better at least. So if this guy shoves, we are always going to call here. Yeah, it does not. So just raise, min raise. If we get raised, I'll fold. Yeah, I'm going to fold. So this guy is just using his like, he's the cheap lead, so he's just taking advantage of the table. So I'll wait for like at least 2 or 3 players to bust. So if we can be like top 5th, it would be very nice. Even the top 4th get like, top 10 get like 130 US dollars. So it would be nice to, be top 10. So they are playing they are playing now the cheap lead versus the shortest stack. We have top pair, but I don't think I can be in there. King 8 suited. This is a very good card, because King 8 like can dominate a lot of card. But the problem here is that if this guy shoves, I cannot call, because there's still a lot of players to act. But I think I can call because he did not shove, so he just flats. But if this guy shoves, you see, I mark this guy down. I kind of tag him. So I use the blue color, because any player that play like a fish, I just use that color for them. So we are playing in the, like, that's a very nice flop for me though, because we have a straight draw, and okay, this guy shoves. I don't know if anyone will call him here. Maybe someone will call him. I think I should have even called him here. Yeah, I think I should have called, because now he's just chipping up, and I could have called him. So let's look at what happened in the history. So we had the 8 and the 9, and maybe he had the queen. So yeah. So there's an all-in confrontation. Wow, 81%. Okay, this guy just chip up with a pair of queens. That's a very good card to have. Like, that's a very good card to have, a pair of queens. So we're in the big blind with king 8 suited, and wow, everyone just pulled. So I'm going to call this guy here, and that's a very good card for us. So I'm going to bet both sides bet. So just going to bluff him off this one. But if he shoves, I'm going to fold. Yeah, he fold. So we'll take that one down. We'll take that one down. Nice. So like, this will still be a long while, like, the ICM pressure on the pay jump. So there's no more much ICM here because the bubble have already burst. One, and second of all, this is the final table, so there's all-in confrontation so far, and I'm hoping this guy, the chip leader could have called, but he did not. So like, I just hope this guy will hold, because he has 6 big blind and this guy has like 1 big blind. So this guy has like 11% so far. Okay, 0%. So yeah, so we just have another pay jump. 6 players left. So we have pocket 6s. So I'm not really going to play this aggressively until maybe I see a good flop. But I will mean raise. Yeah, I always mean raise here. We do not see a 6. Can we just, maybe I'll call here. I'll call this one. I can just, maybe I can shove this. My opponent, like, he just went very small here. I just shove. You can see I have like king 9, queen 10, or like, sorry, I said queen 10, like king queen, king 9, king jack, queen 8, queen 7, jack 7, jack 8, jack 6, or maybe like pair of 4s, all those kind of pairs. So we took that one down, and there's going to be a 5 minutes break. So I'm happy there was going to be a 5 minutes break, because this short stack is going to get lower, and the other short stack is going to also get lowered. So the 6th place gets about $52, and the 5th place get $70. So that's a very nice very nice thing to see. You love to see it, like, literally in the starting of the tournament today. Okay, sorry, this is like, the time is already almost 3 a.m. in the morning, and I've been playing since yesterday non-stop on my phone, on my laptop, recording and doing so many things, like just grinding in general. I did not expect that I would get into this final table, because a moment ago I was down to 1 big blind, like 1 big blind. If I had recorded that, I think that would be the greatest comeback of, like, in the low stakes. Like, there's a lot of poker pros saying that they did a huge comeback, but for me, this is a huge comeback, because I was down $15 and I only have $20 left in my account. So if I'm down another $15, I'll be liquidated. So it is very nice to me to see this. I'm very happy. I'll try my best. I know that this feed that I position myself to be a poker player is very hard. There's this up swing, down swing, and emotional roller coaster. So throughout the day, I was just feeling sad, because I'm just busting out of every tournament, and the players are bad players, so like, they are always getting lucky. So I'm happy to see this, and yeah, I hope you like and subscribe, and see you in 3 minutes. I'm going to take a piece. Yeah, I'll come back in a moment. So I hope we can get to the top third because that's where the money is at. So even the top third get about 130. Like 130 is very huge for me. Like I hope to even like be the first. Like being the first would be nice, will be massive. So I hope you like and subscribe. Please give me a moment. I'll be back when the break is over. So the break is almost over, and I'm just waiting to see what happens next. Waiting to see what happens next. I really hope we can just double up again because that will just give us more edge and more advantage to be in the top third or at least the second place. But I'll not complain though. Profit is profit. Yeah, profit is profit given the fact that we have been down so much in the day. So profit is profit, but I would like to, just get more chips. So we have ace 9, and yeah, I'm going to always call this shove here. I'm going to call the shove. But if someone like will shove, like someone like I call and someone jumps again, then I think like I will just fold. But like it's just 4 big blind here, and this guy range is like I don't even think this guy has a range. So he's maybe he has a good hand here, but I'll call this one off because I've seen this guy played so many weird hands. Wow, this guy just also called me. That's a bad card for us. That's really bad. That's very, very bad. So I'm going to check this one back. I'll see 7. Like we are not even improving at all. If this guy bets, I'm going to fold. Wow, he has a pair of kings. So we didn't even get an ace. Like if we had an ace, at least he just doubled up. Wow, he just doubled up. So I'm going to raise with a pair of 7s and not bad. He had a pair of kings, so good for him. That's a bad card for me. Unless we see the 7 of hearts, that's the only card that can just improve us. Yeah, this guy shoves. Yeah, we can't really do much over there because the 7 we have ace 9 again. Like can we not just get ace king or at least a pair of aces? The ace 9 is just getting more boring. So this guy really shoves. And this guy just jam again. Like what the fuck is going on? Maybe everyone just jam. Are we going to see that everyone just jam? if this guy call, yeah, one of them is going to be the chip leader. Wow, if I had called, I would be the Jesus Christ. If I had just called, I would just won. I could have just won this. I could have just won this. Wow. I could have just won that if I had just called with my ace 9. I could have just been cheap played, man. I could have just been cheap played. I don't even know. Maybe I don't even know why I did not call there. Maybe I should have just called, but ace king would be better. And there was so many king on the deck. There was so many king on the deck. Ace king 4, king 3. So I'm going to call with my 8-9, and we just flop the dream. We just flop the dream. We have it straight. I'm going to raise this one. Yeah, we just doubled up. So this guy just shoves. I hope someone call him, and there's another pay jump. So there's six players so far. I think this guy is thinking of calling because it's taking so much time. Obviously, call if you want to call. You guys just taking forever. Everyone just folds. I thought this guy wanted to even call, but he folds. Now he shoves. Hoping someone get hoping this guy, the chip leader, will call him. Okay. There's still a long way to go because we are still 600. We are still 600. So we have ace 8, and we'll just raise this one. We'll check this one. But we can bet also. Yeah, we'll get it through. I don't want to check because if I check now, I'll give him more cards. Like there's more cards to come, so there's more room for him to improve. So I'll just bet and we'll get it through. So I could have called that ace 9 because would have just been cheap leading, but it was ace 9. So I wish it was like ace king. I could have just called, but it is what it is. So no one has shoved yet. Hoping for a all-in confrontation and just flop the nuts. Okay. Okay, that's a call. That's a mini raise and a call. That's a shove. Okay. Okay, that's a call. So the chip leader. Wow. 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 So the short stack just doubled up again. Like this will take forever to end. This will take forever to end. So I'm going to play this very sneaky knight 8 offsuit. Yeah, we'll get the fold. Nice one. They're not so loud. Later, no. I do something. Leave one out, I'll bring each other. So we have ace 2. We are going to fold. So if let me not say this though, but I just think that there's a lot of good spots to bluff, and that 9-8 offsuit was a very good spot to bluff. So there's a shove and a fold. We have king 10 suited here, and this guy just shoves. I don't know if anyone is going to call him here. Well, we have a pretty good hand, but we're out of position. That's the only but. We're out of position. If we are in position, I could have just called. Yeah, we're out of position. Queen 9 offsuit. So there's a shove, there's a raise and a shove. King queen versus pair of aces, and the chip lead just lost his leadership. So the chip leader has just went broke. The chip leader is now officially broke. So the chip leader just shoves, and I don't know if this guy is going to call him. Maybe. The chip leader just went broke. So we have pair of fives, and if this guy shoves, we are going to call. Yeah, he shoves, and we think we are going to call here. Yeah, we're going to call. We're up against fuck. Can we find a 5 or a 2? Yes, we see straight. Yes. I just called it. I literally just called it. The 2, the duck. The duck is here to save us. So there's also a shove. The short stack just shove, and hoping someone will call him. Yeah, we are 500 now. So we have a pair of nines, and we are going to raise this one. Well, if the um if the chip leader shove, I'm going to fold. Okay, so we are going to min raise this one. So if anyone shove, I'm going to call. Yeah, we'll get it through. So we're still going to do the same thing. We get it through with our ace queen of suit. So we are in second place so far. We have a7. Okay, I don't know. This is like a close spot here. A7 for 7, 8, 9 big blind. Can we really call this? Maybe let me just flick in the call. We are up against ace 9. Can we? Okay, we are dead. We are dead. We are dead, man. Maybe ace jack. I could have called with ace jack. So we just doubled up that guy. That was a bad call. That was a bad call. I could have waited for a better spot. So I want to bluff this guy. I'm trying to bluff this guy so he can fold. Yeah, we'll get it through. So there's a all-in confrontation between the short stack, king queen versus wow, queen 10 odds versus king queen. So this guy just busted out, and we are now 400. So we are now playing 400, and the third place will take about 130. So it will be nice to be third place, or at least second. So this is the pay jump. We are 400, and first place will go home with $95. Third place 130, second place 175, first place 237. So yeah, very nice to be in the final table, given that we have had a rough, a brutal, a frustrating day. So we have king 6 suited, and I'm going to play this card because it's very good. We have the king of diamond, and this guy just many ways. So yeah, this guy can have some bluff, and maybe like king 5, queen jack, queen 10. We have two diamonds. We're going to borrow this one off. It shoves, and we're obviously going to call. Hoping for the diamond. Hoping for the diamond, and we do not get the diamond. Wow. We just like wow. Wow, that was rough. That was rough. That was very rough. That was very rough. We did not find our diamond. And his second place. That was rough, man. That was very rough. So we have like, so I'm going to just shove this one, hoping it does not have a diamond. Okay. Are you serious? Wow, we just busted out for first place. That was very rough, man. That was very rough. So that was very rough, man. That was brutal. So guys, this is the end of the stream. I hope you like and subscribe. See you in the other one.